Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you a laptop bag. And it's not only a laptop bag, it's for ladies out there. It is not only a laptop bag, you can use it on all areas you're going to, like your school, like shopping malls, like parties at night, because this is a nice bag. It is a laptop bag. Well, it is lightweight, it is water resistant, it has a nylon fabric and durable handle with PU leather. And in this case, it is black. You can choose, I think, blue too. Yeah, blue is another color, but we are going to choose black first. The laptop bag in size is 17.3 inches to 4.4 inches to 13.18 inches, and the handle drop is 8.3 inches and weight just about 0.88 pounds. Perfect for handbags, shoulder bag, travel, etc. You can use it all over the world. It is not only a using bag, it is a fashion bag. I like it really much. It looks beautiful. It has a nice quality and a nice storage space. The interior is divided into so many sections. The first compartment can hold books, Word or tablets. The second is the computer compartment, which can host the computer up to, I think, 16 or 15.7 inches. This is enough. This is a standard laptop, and I show you, this is my Dell laptop here, and it matches wonderful. And it is a computer compartment. An iPad is there's space for an iPad, a iPad Pro, etc. And you have two spots for smartphones, and you have an outer bag with zipper. You have inside, I think it was 4 areas where you're going to store something. That means it's perfect for fashionable school outfit or lifestyle thing. A special designed bag is for women, of course. It's not for me. It is for a woman. And a woman will use it after I'm ready with that video here. But maybe I will borrow it and have fun with it too, isn't it? Okay, back to the thread. The main compartment flap has a durable PU leather and smooth zip closer to keep it pretty secure, because the zipper is explosion proof. Yeah, it's convenient and comfortable at the same time. Great, wonderful, great. It is, for example, a great gift for your family and friends. Maybe if you have family and friends with a woman in it, but you will have to it. Or other guys, of course. Everyone can wear what he's going to wear or what he's going to like to wear. It is a nice, durable, good shaped bag. You have enough space for everything what you are carrying with. You can, and I think one thing is a killer application in this bag. It has inside the bag a line with a hook. And this hook you can connect to your wallet. And if you connect this with your wallet, it is thief safe. That means if a thief is coming and and cuts your bag and he pull out the wallet, the line inside the wallet will secure your wallet. Nice, isn't it? That is a really nice feature in this bag. And the bag has a extra strong bottom base outside boxes or outside space. Inside is, I think it was 3 or 4 storage compartments, and you can have a pan holder, and you have space for a laptop, you have space for an iPad, you have space for smartphones, you have space for utilities, you have space for books, etc. Everything you can get into this bag. And it is a comfortable way to wear it outside. It looks beautiful, really nice. It has a nice quality. It is strong, and you look famous. Really famous bag. I like it really much, and we will carry this every day. I think so. Or you can share other bags at another time, of course. But this will be a good bag for us. So, that it is. It is a nice quality thing. It looks really good. And it has a thief protection unit inside. This I like so much. But the hard PU leather will keeps a thief out too. Okay, that means there are 2 steps to get on your wallet. The first thing is the PU leather. This is strong, and the second, this is the anti-thief line inside. And you have enough space with this line to support your wallet. You can use your wallet while it is connected with the bag. Nice function, I think. Really nice function. So, I think that is enough. It is by Reeler. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel soon. Soon. Yeah, style, beautiful, old fashioned, nice. Soon.